Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on HTX Huobi. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your HTX account or HTX wallet, which of course I have done right here. Then the next thing is, what exactly is HTX about? HTX is a leading crypto exchange platform. It is one of the world's biggest Bitcoin exchanges and altcoin crypto exchanges. You can buy BTC, ETH, HT, and more on HTX. So now that we know a bit of what HTX is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to buy Bitcoin on HTX. Okay, so from this fantastic homepage here staring at you in the face, head over to the top corner of the screen where you have these tabs, which include buy crypto, markets, trade derivatives, and finance activity, and HTX zone. Head over to buy crypto and you're going to see this extended menu that says quick trade, fiat deposit, and P2P. So go ahead and click on P2P. Now, P2P is otherwise known as peer-to-peer trading. This is where you can buy and sell a wide array of assets. Now, here's the advantages of HTX P2P: zero commission fees, 24/7 customer services, anti-fraud practitioner, and highest priority to transaction safety. That strikes me like a cool deal. So here you have buy and sell. Ensure that it is set to the buy button or the buy button in here. Ensure it's not in sell. So take it to buy, and once it is in buy, head over here where you have this assets, right? This is set to USDT, but we want to buy Bitcoin, right? So go ahead and click on the drop down menu because you're gonna have to change this to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is short for BTC. So click on BTC. Now here where you have this fiat currency, you have to change your fiat currency if you want to. So you can click on that and you're going to see the fiat currencies available. That's after buying your Bitcoin, the currency that is going to be changed into. So click on the, I'm going to wait for this page, click on this drop down menu, and once you click on this drop down menu, you're going to see a couple more options that you can change this. Here are the currencies. So this is all. Do you want to find the availability status? Do you want to find all the people, all the traders that you can buy from, or just those available? You can set that, and you can use this filter option to change your payment method. So you can use here change your payment. You can use all payment methods, or you can use specific payment methods. Anyone, choose any one of your choice. So once you're done, you can now head over to this trading tab where you have these traders. So these are many traders that you can buy BTC from. This person is selling 79,072 USD, and it's this is the amount of BTC, 767 BTC for this amount. So this person is, so do you want to buy from this person? You can head over here to click on this buy button. So this is the payment method that is available to this person: ADV, cash, and payer. Now you can click on buy, and once you click on buy, you will now be able to follow through the on-screen prompt on the further steps to take to buy. So this is it. So you can click on I want to pay, whatever you want to pay, add what you want to pay, and I receive this. So let's say we want to pay 1,000 USD. This is how much BTC you're going to receive. That's BTC, that's Bitcoin you're going to receive. So go ahead and click on buy, and once you click on buy, once this person accepts it, that's fine. You'll be able to receive your BTC. All right, you'll be able to receive this BTC, and it's going to be added to your HTX balance. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.